Susan Kaineg from Be Outspoken is joining me, and this is an amazing collection. She is an artist, she's the founder, and it's all about being outspoken. So welcome, Susan.
Thank you, thank you.
So talk with me about some of your artwork and how you came to do this.
Well, really the inspiration started 20 years ago when I was working in the tech sector and experienced a lot of gender bias, and I started creating art for myself. So at that time, I was doing painting and mixed media and things, and I'm an old farm girl. So, and we had a cattle farm. So I started painting on cowhide many years ago, and that's the genesis of this. And basically all the statements are about empowerment and not giving up, very important. And all of,
Love this, never, ever, ever give up.
we put in an extra ever for those women because we know that's what it takes for women to self-actualize.
And then about choosing to shine, because you can choose to be yourself and choose to shine and show your true colors.
Here is Make Waves.
So whether it's in music or using your voice, it's about making waves and making sure that your voice is heard. Love it, love it, love it.
It sure is.
And then I think there's one more,
Oh,
and you can just read it yourself. But this is, again, to show empowerment. These are both feminine and masculine. These are a great way to make sure you always have your voice heard. In addition to the rugs, you have now gone into artwork.
yes, I have, and I'm really super happy about it. This is debuting here at High Point Market.
This is called the Auto Woman, as opposed to
Auto Woman. This is Auto Woman, and really, really proud of this one. So we will have available as well the Ottomans and now our new artwork.
Thank you for helping give people a voice to be themselves and to say it out to the world in their own homes even. So, Susan Kaineg with Be Outspoken.